Hello, so today we are going to do problems from weekly contest 348. The first problem is minimize string length. For some reason they chose to have the first one be medium. Yeah, it doesn't matter really, but so here we have a string s, and we repeatedly do some operations any number of times, and the operation is basically taking a character at some index I, and then deleting the closest occurrence of that character to the left, and then the closest character of it to the right. So leaving the character itself, but deleting all the duplicates, or deleting the closest duplicate to the left and the closest duplicate to the right. And the goal is to minimize the length of the string s by performing this operation any number of times. Okay, it doesn't really matter how many operations we do. We can do as many as we want, but we want to minimize the length of the string. And then once we do that, we want to return the smallest possible length of the string that is left after this operation any number of times. Okay, so let's take a look here. So for this one, well, we could choose this a and then remove the closest to the left, the closest to the right. And that's pretty much it. For the other ones, there is no duplicates, and so we can't really do any operations. And so we are left with 3. So return 3. For this one, the only one that has a duplicate is b, so we could either choose this one and remove to the right, or choose this one and remove to the left. But in both cases, we will have 1b left, and so 1b, 1c, and 1d, that's 3. And that's pretty much the idea here. Now, you will notice that no matter like how many characters we have, what we are looking for is just the number of unique characters, right? Because you know that if the character occurs just once, then you can't do any operations really for that character, right? And so we would have that character left. But also, if there is a duplicate, so if we have, let's say, let's write this up. So if we have, no matter how many A's we have, let's say like this, we can just keep doing operations. So we can choose this one, remove this, and remove this, and then choose this one again, and remove the closest to the left and the closest to the right. And we'll keep doing it as long as there are at least more than one A. We'll keep doing it until we end up with one A. And similarly, no matter how many B's we have, we will keep just taking one character, removing left and right, taking it again, removing left and right, until we end up with one occurrence. Okay? And if we end up with just one occurrence, then for each one of them, then what's that? That's just the length of the number of unique characters. And so that's exactly what we need to return. And in Python, it's really easy. You can just take the set of the string, and this will give you only the unique characters, and we can just count them. So basically by taking the length of the set. So that would be pretty simple solution. And that passes, you can see here. And this is oven because taking the set and taking the length, that's just oven time. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this problem. Pretty straightforward. You can just simplify it to just getting the number of unique characters. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.